Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you honest reviews of the best tools on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful cordless sanders you can find, the DEWALT 20V Max Sander, model DEWALT 20V-D1. If you're looking for the best cordless detail sander, this is the tool that'll change how you approach your sanding projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, this sander offers the performance and convenience that you need to get the job done. First, let's talk about its key feature, the powerful brushless motor. This motor offers longer runtime and better efficiency, so you can work longer without constantly having to recharge. And with the 20V max battery, you get the freedom of cordless operation without losing out on power. The DEWALT sander is designed with versatility in mind. Its variable speed control, ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, lets you adjust the sanding speed to match the material you're working with. Whether you're working on delicate wood or a rougher surface, you can dial in the perfect speed for the job. One of the standout features of this sander is its low-profile design. It allows you to get up close to your work surface, giving you precise control for intricate sanding tasks. This is especially helpful when you're working on smaller projects or in tight spaces. Changing sandpaper is a breeze with its replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad. This simple design allows for quick and easy paper swaps, so you won't waste time fiddling with complicated attachments. Plus, the dust-sealed switch helps keep debris out, ensuring the longevity of the sander's performance. Comfort is another thing DEWALT nails with this model. The textured rubber overmold grip provides a firm yet comfortable hold, which helps reduce fatigue during long sanding sessions. And when you're done, the one-handed dust bag locking system makes cleanup a simple task. Included with this sander is a 2.0 Ah battery and a charger, so you won't have to buy them separately. Plus, it comes with a convenient storage bag for easy organization and portability. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Max Sander is a top contender for the best cordless detail sander. Its combination of power, ease of use, and comfortable design makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about sanding. If you're in the market for a new sander, this is one tool that you should definitely consider adding to your arsenal. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful.